And some of them even go to the extent of involving Bollywood celebrities. Here's a look at which celebrity is wearing which party's symbol. Maharashtra Assembly election is not just important for political parties but also for some Bollywood stars, as some political parties do take help from Bollywood stars to attract voters. This time, for instance, the Hindu-Wadi BJP and Shiv Sena have taken the help of some Marathi stars. Talking about secular party Congress or NCP, every election they involve Bollywood superstars. Congress is bringing forward actresses like Rati Agnihotri and Dimple Kapadia, also Shakti Kapoor, for their campaigning. Meanwhile, on Sanjay Nirupam's insistence, famous comedian Raju Srivastav and Bigg Boss fame Sambhavna Seth will be campaigning to attract voters. On the other hand, Poonam Mahajan will take help of her brother Rahul Mahajan to gather some votes. And to attract votes from Bandra's residents, Salman Khan will do a roadshow for Baba Siddiqui. Well, with this, one thing is clear, that politics does not only revolve around leaders but also around our B-town celebs. Bureau Report, Focus TV, Mumbai. Meanwhile, a Pakistani court today admitted a petition filed by banned Jamauddin Dawa chief Hafiz Mohammad Saeed, who is blamed by India for masterminding the Mumbai terror attacks. The petition challenged 2 cases registered against him by police under the Anti-Terrorism Act for inciting people to wage jihad. After a preliminary hearing, a 2-judge bench of the Lahore High Court issued notices to the federal and Punjab governments and the police officials in connection with the 2 first information reports registered in Faisalabad against Saeed. The bench set October 12th as the date for the hearing of the petition. Meanwhile, following the registration of the 2 FIRs in Faisalabad, police imposed restrictions on Saeed's movements on September 20th. However, confusion surrounds his current status, as officials have been making conflicting statements as to whether he has been detained. And this year, like always, has been a star-studded affair in Mumbai during the Durga Puja. Starting from a fleet of Bengali celebs, quite a few thronged to be a part of the festivities. Take a look at our rush through the 4-day celebration of the event.
This festival season this year started with Puja and Aarti of Ma Durga in Mumbai on the 6th day, which marks the onset of Durga Puja. From then it has been days of celebration. The season was kicked off with Donna Ganguly's performance, followed by the performances of various artists at different centres with the likes of Shan, Alka Yagnik, Deepa Narayan, Bappi Lahiri and Hema Malini, to name a few, who really enthralled the audiences with their performances. Bollywood actor Abhishek Bachchan, along with his mother Jaya Bachchan, wife Aishwarya Rai Bachchan and sister Shweta Nanda, visited a temple to mark the Durga Puja festival. This year, Bipasha Basu attended her producer Ajay Devgan and his wife Kajol's special puja. But the highlight of the entire festival season was the active participation by Rani Mukherjee in the puja. Kajol, along with Rani and their families, made this a true Bollywood participation in the city of dreams. The city which is synonymous with diverse culture. Payal Mehta, Focus TV, Mumbai.
And it's time for a short break again, but you don't go anywhere, as there's more in the news. Stay tuned. Welcome back after the break, and now some news from the B-Town. Legendary singer Lata Mangeshkar turns 80 today. The Nightingale has enthralled audiences across the globe with her melodious voice years after years.
Since 1949, when Lata Mangeshkar was first noticed for her extraordinary singing talent in the Mahal song Aayega Aane Wala, her magical voice has taken a firm hold of the Indian imagination. The tuneful purity and the timeless quality of her voice have a profound impact. For over 6 decades, as much as loved singer, she has reigned the supreme in Indian film music. The Bharat Ratna winning singer has recorded more songs than anyone else in the world. A sensational singing legend who has inspired the whole nation with a gifted voice. The queen of Indian melodies and artist with immense talent, she is the voice of the Hindi film industry, from the 40s till date. Her musical journey includes lending voices to actresses from the 40s till the 2000s. Till date, Lata has recorded 30,000 songs in as many as 20 different languages, and she continues to inspire the nation. She is known for her quest for perfection and her undying spirit. Her golden voice has enthralled the millions. And as the grand dame of the Indian music turns 80, Lata Mangeshkar's only wish is to continue singing till her last breath. We take this opportunity to wish this legend a very happy birthday. Payal Mehta, Focus TV, Mumbai.
And with a career spanning over 6 decades, Lata has sung in 20 different languages. Well, on this occasion, let's take a look at the top 20 songs of Lata Mangeshkar.
जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यारे के काबिल मुझे लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो। चलते 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 यूं ही कोई मिल गया था यारा तिली तिली बिरहा की रात का जलना यारा तिली तिली तेरे लिए हम भेजे हर आंसू पिए।
On the other hand, actor Ranbir Kapoor, son of showman late Raj Kapoor, turns 27 today. The chocolatey actor has romanced the best of heroines on screen in his career so far.
He is dashing, at the same time he is courteous as well. He is what superstars are made of. Besides being the grandson of showman Raj Kapoor, Ranbir is also the son of the most illustrious parents, Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Singh Kapoor. Having debuted in a film directed by Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Savarya, Ranbir went on to win every possible heart in the cineland. Just a couple of films old, Ranbir has a few films lined up down the months, but he has romanced the best of ladies of the B-town. Be it Sonam Kapoor and Rani Mukherjee in his debut film Savarya, in his next film Bachna-e-Hasino, he was seen along with 3 leading ladies, Bipasha Basu, Minisha Lamba and girlfriend Deepika Padukone. In his next few films, he will be seen romancing the likes of Konkana Sen Sharma and Katrina Kaif. Ranbir Kapoor has simple plans for his birthday. He wants to spend time with his parents and have a quiet bash with girlfriend Deepika Padukone and some close friends. The actor has a special wish this year though. His film Karan Johar's Wake Up Sid is due in his birthday week and he hopes that everybody will go and see the film. So here's wishing Ranbir a very happy birthday and all the luck. Payal Mehta, Focus TV, Mumbai.
So that's all for this bulletin tonight. For more news and updates, keep watching Focus TV. Good night and wish you a very happy Dussehra.